And it's not the 4th of July, but happening tonight, the Bakersfield Blaze are giving you the chance to come out and enjoy a fireworks show while helping a local youth group. The show will take place after tonight's game at Sam Lynn Ballpark on Chester Avenue. First pitch is scheduled for 7:45. The team is also donating some of the ticket sales from tonight's game to the Boys and Girls Club of Kern County. To help out, just go to bakersfieldblaze.com to buy a ticket and enter the promo code BGCKC. All right, still